In this video, I'm going to be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator coupon code discount that the awesome folks over at Hostgator have provided me with. By using our exclusive Hostgator promo code at checkout, you'll save even more than you see being listed on the Hostgator plans page as seen here. You'll also get a free domain name on any Hostgator annual plans or a domain name discount on Hostgator non-annual plans. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Hostgator coupon code discount so you can get Hostgator hosting at a discounted price, saving you money. To get your Hostgator coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and you just need to enter the Hostgator promo code I provided with the link in the description at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Now let me walk you through the steps to get the Hostgator discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostgator homepage. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Hostgator hosting plans page. You'll see the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. You'll see the up to 60 to 65% off. With our exclusive Hostgator promo code, you can save even more than this. Once you choose a plan, click the Buy Now button. I'm going to select the Hatchling plan, however, I will be showing you the discount amount for all three Hostgator plans offered. On this page, scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section. Replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with the Hostgator coupon code I provided in the link. Scroll back up, you'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $271 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 69% off. Next up is the Hostgator Baby plan. You see you get Hostgator hosting for as low as $343 a month depending on the term you go with. You get a savings of up to 71% off. Next is the Hostgator Business plan. You'll get Hostgator hosting for as low as $516 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 69% off. For all the annual plans such as the 12-month and 36-month terms, you'll get a free domain name. With the non-annual terms such as the 1-month or 6-month terms, you'll get a domain name discount. Enjoy your Hostgator coupon code discount so you can save some money on your Hostgator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostgator hosting tutorial videos.